Hi all of you, back with another video on Git. In this video I am going to show you how to pull your code in your repository. So I will show you in this video how Git works in real time. So I have made one machine in Singapore region, as you all can see, and one machine is in my this Canada one. Okay, as you can see, this is, so it means they are two user. One user is from Singapore and another one is from Canada. Okay, so both are working on the same project. So let's see that how they can push and pull code, how they can contribute to one project. Okay, which happens in real time as well in a company, in an organization. So let me show you this. White one is my Git 2. This is the node. This is the machine of Canada one, and this is the machine of your Singapore. Okay, so let me check Git status. Okay, for now Git status, not a Git repository. Let me go to the Git repository first. Singapore Git. Now let me try Git status. On branch, or branch is up to date with origin master. Okay, let me check git log. So you can see that these are the logs. Okay, author is this and the email of that person is this. So date is showing there here, as you all can see. Who folks haven't watched my last video, just make sure you watch that first video. Okay, the link is up. Okay, you can check it out as well. And now it's time to go in that machine. Okay, let me write ls. So here is your Canada Git. So first let me do ls again, Canada Git. Let me go in that directory, Canada Git. If I do ls, nothing is there. If I do this git status on master, no commit yet. So from here there is no commit. Okay, so let me check here git status. Sorry, git log. Let me check git log. It will show nothing. Your current branch master does not have any commits yet. So let me show you what I did in my last video. So I created a repository which has named this supercar, and I pushed this file which contains these names. Okay, R8 GTR 370Z AMG M5. Okay, so now I am now user 2. So how I can check, how I can identify that what user 1 has pushed in that particular repository. So first I have to copy that repository code. I have to add that repository here in my machine. How I can do that? Git remote add origin. Okay, origin. Now I am user 2. Okay, I am from Canada. So let me write here git origin. Now you have to paste the URL of this machine, not machine, repository. Okay, let me paste it here. So now your this repository is added. Okay, so now it's time to pull the code what first user which is sitting in Singapore has pushed before. I don't know, so I have to first pull all of the stuff. How can I do that? Git remote, not git push, git not push, git pull origin master. Okay, git pull origin master. So now you can see that if I do ls, now you can see that there is file, but before there was nothing, as I already showed you. Let me see what this file contains cat car, so it contains all the stuff. Now you have to add I'm treating this file as a code. Okay, so we are not a coder, we are not a programmer. So I am a DevOps engineer, so I am not a coder in simple words. So let me add something more. So if I write a 2 line more, let me first show you git. So if I do git status, now nothing to commit, working tree is clean. Okay, so first let me edit that file. Okay, let me edit that file. Supercar, it's car or supercar, I think car, yeah. So let me edit this file using vi editor. Let me write here Aventador, and let me write here like I have, which car should I write here, like Hellcat. Okay, Hellcat for now. So now I have added something. So if I do now git status, if I run this command, now you can see that something is modified in this file. Okay, so git has identified that something is modified in this file. So to add, I have already showed you, let me show you again that thing, that stuff. So your file is now in this area, which is your working space. Okay, your file is here right now. Okay, so you have to first move to this area, this is your staging area. So what is the command for that? Let me show you. Git add, you have to write that file name, or you can write dot as well, but I prefer always writing the name. Okay, git add car. So if I run this command again, git status, now you can see that it is converted to green, which means it is now moved to stage area, as you can see here, but here is nothing like that. Okay, so now your file is here, let me show you. So now your file is here, not here. So let me rub from here. If you want to push your file into your local repo, okay, what is the command for that? How you can do that? You can do that by writing git commit -m for message. Okay, git commit -m. So it's time to write message. This is commit. First let me clear screen. Okay, git commit -m. Now you can write like this is commit from Canada. Okay, now you can see that this is coming from Canada. One file changed to insertion. To insertion means I have wrote 2 lines only, so that's why it is showing 2 lines are modified, one file is changed. Okay, because it was one file. So if I do now git status, your working tree is clean, nothing to commit. It means your file is now here. Okay, in your local repo, it is pushed to your local repo. Okay, let me make this again. Yeah, so now your file is here. So if you want to push to this repo, GitHub, okay, in the GitHub repo, in your remote repo, where is your remote repo? There it is. Okay, this car, this is your remote repo. If I refresh, you can see I can't see what let me go back and let me go back to that file again, car. Okay, so now you can see that I can't see that file, that 2 lines which I added just now. Okay, how can I see that? How can I push that stuff here? So there is a command, as you all know, git push -u or nothing to write that. Git push, what was that, origin master. Okay, origin master, because you have already added your repository to it, so there is no need. Git knows where are you pushing, so you just have to write command git push origin master and just press enter. Now it is asking me for my username. My username is Saitya Gupta, but I am right now user 2. I have only one account on GitHub, so that's why Git and GitHub. So that's why I'm pushing from this account only. But in case of the user 2, it will he will use his own account. Okay, he will use his own username and password as well. Okay, Saitya Gupta 25. Now it's time to enter password, but this is new GitHub. Okay, so it will not allow you to write password, so you just have to go to setting. Now you have to go to developer settings. Okay, now personal access token, so you have to generate token. How you can generate token? Just write anything, anything you can write. Hi, I have written hi. So check all the stuff like this. Okay, and generator token, access token, it works like your password. Okay, but it works more like a password. Generate token. So now you can see that my token is generated. You have to copy this stuff. So let me just zoom it for you. This is the token. You have to copy this. Okay, now it's time to go back here. Just press your right click of your mouse. Okay, just press one time like this. Okay, now it's time to press enter. You can't see the token because it is the private credentials. Okay, so Git will not show because it is your password. So just press enter right now. So now you can see that everything is gone good. Counting object 100%, writing object 100%. It means you have done your task successfully. Now it's time to check that as well. So let me just open this file. So now you can see that it contains now Aventador and Hellcat as well. Okay, so now let me just be my first user. So now I am first user. Okay, so now I am in Singapore. Now I have to check what work that Canada user has done. Okay, so how can I see that? Let me first do ls. There is your car file. Let me see what it contains. Let me do like cat car. Okay, for you all. So it contains all the stuff, but it do not contains that stuff which I just pushed. Okay, while I am that second user. Okay, so now how can you do that? You have to do the same thing. Git pull origin master. Okay, git pull origin master. So now you can see that if I do now cat car, it contains Aventador and Hellcat as well. So how can you so by doing this you can push the code and pull the code by doing running these commands. Okay, so let me just edit this file again. So let me first show you git status. What is git status? Not before that, let me show you git log hyphen one line. Okay, so now you can see that the latest commit is from the Canada. This is commit from Canada. Okay, so if I show you git log, okay, like this, so now you can see here the last commit is by the Saitya and his email ID is this and his message is this. Okay, and he has committed on the time this. Okay, and date as well, it is showing date as well. Let me quit it. Okay, so now let me edit this file vi car. So let me write some more names of car. I love that to write. Okay, so Aventador Hellcat. Now it's time to write Camaro. Okay, and what name should I write now? I can write like M4, and I can write like anything, Supra. Okay. So now it's time to first let me show you Git status. Now Git status, something is modified. Git has identified that something is modified. Okay, now it's time to do like this. Git, first you have to add in your staging area, as I already showed you. Okay, git add car name, not car name, file name. File name is my car, so that's why I spoke car. So now if I run this git status, now your this is gone, your file is gone to your staging area. So now it's time to commit it as well. Git, so you have to write like that, git commit -m and whatever message you want to give. I want to give what should I give? Updated from Singapore. Okay, Singapore. I think this is enough for now, and let me just press enter. So now you can see that 3 insertions are made, which means you have written 3 lines. Okay, so let me just refresh it, okay, for you all, so you can see the changes which are done. Okay, how can you see that? First you have to push the file. Okay, how can you push that? Simple command, git push origin master. Okay, origin master. Now it's time to push that file as well. GitHub name is my this. Okay, GitHub username is my this, and yeah, it's time to do enter. It's time to press enter. Now it's time to paste that access token. So let me copy this token. Okay, let me paste it here. So now you can see that everything is gone according to me. Okay, so now it's time to check it as well. So if I do refresh here, so you can see there is nothing after Hellcat, after 7th line. Okay, if I do refresh here, so now you can see that Camaro M4 Supra as well. So that's how you can push and pull the code. Okay, that's how you can do, that's how you can work on Git, by pushing and pulling. Okay, so I think this video helps you a lot. Okay, forget to like, forget to subscribe, but don't forget to close this machine, stop this machine, not close. Close is not a right word for that. Don't forget to stop this machine. Let me show you what I am talking about. Don't forget to stop these machines on which you are practicing. Okay, so stop these machines. Let me go to my Singapore region as well. So it's time to stop this machine as well. So don't forget to stop these machines. Okay, I think these videos are helping you a lot, and you can like now if you have stopped the machines. Okay, and you can subscribe the channel as well if you find this video benefiting you. Okay, so yeah, I think that's about for today, and I will meet you in my next video.